Welcome to Kairos Network. In this video, I will show you network maintenance tips to keep your internet fast, reliable, and problem-free. These are simple steps anyone can do at home or in the office. Step 1. Organize your cables. Start by arranging your Ethernet, power, and other network cables neatly. Avoid tangles and don't let them cross over heavy electrical cords, as interference can slow down your connection. Keep cables straight, untwisted, and away from walls or metal objects. This small step improves stability and prevents connection issues. Step 2. Optimize router placement. Place your router in a central, elevated spot away from walls or enclosed spaces. Avoid putting it near microwaves, cordless phones, or other electronics that can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Proper placement ensures your Wi-Fi covers your entire home or office evenly. Step 3. Reduce interference. Other wireless devices can cause disruptions. If your router allows, switch to a less crowded channel for better performance. Keep your router away from devices that emit wireless signals, and make sure your Wi-Fi bands aren't overlapping with neighboring networks if possible. Step 4. Restart your network regularly. Restarting your router and modem clears temporary glitches and refreshes your connection. You can do this manually or schedule automatic restarts using a smart plug if your router supports it. A fresh connection often solves slow or unstable internet. Step 5. Control bandwidth usage. Check which devices are connected to your network and what they're doing. Streaming, downloads, and cloud backups can take up bandwidth and cause slowdowns. Pause unnecessary downloads or streaming when speed is important, and prioritize critical devices if your router has that feature. Step 6. Update router settings. Keep your router firmware up to date. Manufacturers release updates for better performance and security. Log into your router settings and check for firmware updates, adjust guest networks, enable device prioritization, and ensure your security settings are strong. Step 7. Clean your network hardware. Dust can block vents and cause your modem or router to overheat, which affects performance. Wipe your devices regularly, keep vents clear, and make sure airflow around them is not obstructed. Cooler devices last longer and run better. Step 8. Test your internet speed. Check your connection speed periodically using tools like speedtest.net. If speeds are lower than expected, it might indicate network congestion, interference, or outdated equipment. Regular testing helps catch problems before they get worse. Step 9. Use wired connections for critical devices. Whenever possible, connect important devices like gaming consoles, desktops, or streaming boxes directly via Ethernet. Wired connections are faster, more stable, and prevent lag during work or entertainment. Step 10. Document your network. Make a simple map showing which devices are connected to which ports or Wi-Fi bands. This helps when troubleshooting future problems and makes network management easier. By following these 10 steps, you can maintain your network at home or in the office, prevent common issues, and enjoy a faster, more reliable internet experience. And that's it. These network maintenance tips are simple, effective, and easy for anyone to follow. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to Kairos Network for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.